Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the problem of not getting email notifications in WPforms. It's gonna be a quick fix, so let's get into it. First, let's head back to our website backend, and I'm just going to hover over WPforms to select all forms. And from here, I want to select the form we're currently facing the notification problems with. Since this is the only form here, let's just go with it. Once we're brought to the form builders interface, head over to settings and then select notifications. Now from here, we need to make sure to fill out the right information that ought to go into these fields, starting out with the first, which will be the email address we want the notification sent to. The second, the email subject line. This is completely subjective, but let's just do new email notifications and then leave this to the website name. Now for this field, we need to put in a business email associated with this domain name. So that could be any username, an address sign, and lastly, your website domain name. For example, contact@thisdomainname.com, info@thisdomainname.com, or support@thisdomainname.com. Either way works. Now in my case, I can choose to put in contact@booksum.com. And as for the other fields, we can leave to default. So let's just save this. Oh, and by the way, if you'd like to learn more on how to create a professional email address and link it up with any Gmail account of your choice, a link to that will be provided in the description box down below or at the top right of the screen. Now let's test this to see if this actually works as promised. So I've got this tab open up with a Gmail account I fill into this field to send all notifications to. Allow me to refresh this to make sure there are no emails here. Now coming back to this tab, let's just preview this. Fill out this form. And then submit. Now if we head back to the Gmail account, we should start seeing email notifications here. But if by chance you happen not to find it here, you can just look into your spam folder, open up the email, and where it says report as no spam, just click on that and we should start getting email notifications sent to the inbox. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you got value, please feel free to leave a thumbs up. You can also hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so when I put out more videos like this, you would get notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.